all green, and by that I assume you mean no other colors. So let's see. 1 green ball. But I don't think I have any in here that are all green other than, oh, 2. 3. 4. And I have 2 more of these, but I'll come back if I need to. 5. Is this green or black? Let's count it as black. We won't count that one. Nothing up here that's all green. 6. Oh no, this is 5 because I didn't count the last one. 5. I had to look in there. 6. 7. This one's one of my favorites. 8. 9. And now I see 1 more all green. There we go. 10. So it looks like I won, but that was fun. Thanks.